Hey everyone, Joe Williams here from Bluedog Wire Strippers. Today we're going to be checking out the BWS-CC120 Cable Cutter, and we're going to do something really cool and process this huge pile of scrap wire. So typically, if you're a scrap guy, demolition guy, electrician, construction guy, and you're dealing with scrap wire, you're going to want to weigh in order to cut that to length so that you can either take it directly to the scrap yard or take it to your shop and process it through a wire stripping machine such as our BWS-80 HD. Some of the current solutions for processing this and cutting it to length are using a hand grinder like this with a zip disc, which creates a lot of gases and fumes, and it takes a long time to actually process the cable, even though it is a hand grinder. The other solution is to use a Sawzall like this and just cut it through. If you have a lot of cuts, this is also not the most efficient way because you're going to go through a lot of blades and it takes time to cut it through, especially if you're dealing with thicker cable. If you're an electrician, you might use one of those hand tools in order to cut the cable to length. But again, that takes a long time too. So this is why we've developed the BWS-CC120 Cable Cutter.
The Bluedog BWS-CC120. I wanna cut some cable. I wanna cut some cable. BWS-CC120. I wanna cut some cable. I wanna cut some cable. I wanna cut some cable.
Put it in, press down the foot pedal, cut. Very simple. Very, very simple.
Bluedog BWS-CC120. I wanna cut some cable. I wanna cut some cable. The Bluedog BWS-CC.
Are you a demolition company, a scrapyard, an electrician, or electrical contractor? And do you need a fast and portable way to cut cables? The BWS-CC Cable Cutter is the solution for you. If you are on a work site and there are long lengths of 500 MCM, 750 MCM, heavy cables which are difficult to handle because of the thickness and weight, the BWS-CC120 will help you cut them down to size quickly so they are easier to move around. Do you need a way to quickly remove connectors and plug-ins from scrap wire before feeding into a wire stripping machine or granulator? The BWS-CC120 will work for you. Do you need a solution to cut wire down to 4 to 8 foot lengths before feeding into a wire stripping machine? The BWS-CC120 will work for you. The BWS-CC120 is a time saver when you compare using Sawzalls, zip discs, or hand cutting tools. You can cut copper pipe, you can cut copper or aluminum cable, you can cut wire off of industrial spools. The possibilities are endless. That was the BWS-CC120 Cable Cutter. Awesome machine if you need to cut cables in the field, cut cables in-house, cuts the plug-ins off of cables. It's very flexible, it's portable, really easy to use, you won't go wrong. Some of the key features of the BWS-CC120 include a 1 horsepower motor, a hydraulic pack. It comes with a 12-foot cord, so you can move this around. It's very flexible. It has a cutting head over here with a max shearing force of 18 tons, and it has a max diameter opening here of up to 5 inch, so you can cut a very large size cable. It's also important to note that this is designed for cutting aluminum and copper. It's not designed for doing metal. If you want to cut metal, I suggest checking out our alligator shears from our website. Also, regards to power, it powers off of 110-volt power. For international users, we can supply this with 220-volt. So if you have any further questions, please give us a call, 866-901-2278. I'm Joe Williams with Bluedog Wire Strippers. You can visit our website, bluedogwirestripper.com. Thank you for watching this video.
I wanna cut some cable. I wanna cut some cable. I wanna cut some cable. The Bluedog BWS-CC120.